Hello everyone. In this tutorial, we'll explain what are isotopes. Dalton's theory states that atoms of the same element are identical, meaning that they have the same mass. And it was proved wrong after the discovery of the structure of atom and subatomic particles. The atomic structure is basically composed of protons, neutrons, and electrons. By measuring the masses of atoms of some elements very precisely, it showed that atoms of same element could have different masses. Carbon is an example where different elements of carbon have different masses. So this is a carbon atom right here. Let's find together the number of each subatomic particle of this atom. So it has 6 protons and neutrons inside the nucleus, as well as 6 electrons. So let's find the atomic and the mass number. The atomic number is the number of protons inside the nucleus. It's designated as a Z, so it's 6 here. And the mass number designated as an A, it's the number of nucleons inside the nucleus, so it's the number of protons plus neutrons. 6 plus 6 equals to 12. Here's another carbon atom. Let's calculate the number of each subatomic particle inside this atom. So, it has 6 protons, 7 neutrons, and 6 electrons. Let's find the atomic and the mass number. The atomic number is equal to the number of protons, so it's 6, and the mass number is equals to the number of protons and the neutrons. 7 plus 6 equals to 13. Now let us compare both atoms. In which way do you think they're the same? Well, these two atoms, they have the same number of protons, so they have the same atomic number, which is 6, while they differ in their mass number. The second atom has an extra neutron inside the nucleus, so they have the same atomic number, meaning they're both the same element, which is carbon here, since the atomic number defines the element, whereas they have a different mass number, which is 12 and 13. Now let's observe another carbon atom. It has 6 protons, 8 neutrons, and 6 electrons. Let's calculate the atomic number and the mass number. So the atomic number is equal to the number of protons, which is 6, and the mass number equals to the number of protons and neutrons. 8 plus 6 equals 14. So if we examine carefully the 3 atoms, we will notice that each one of them has 6 protons. So all of them have the same atomic number, which is 6. And since they're all neutral atoms, each one of them will have 6 electrons as well. However, each carbon atom right here has different number of neutrons inside the nucleus. As you can see, the first has 6, the second 7, and the third 8. And since the mass number is equal to the neutrons plus protons, each one of them will have a different mass number, which is 12, 13, and 14, as you can see right here. In conclusion, these 3 carbon atoms are called isotopes. They are atoms of the same element, but different mass number, due to the difference in the neutrons. So, as a definition, isotopes are atoms of the same element that have different numbers of neutrons in the nucleus. Thanks for watching.